Have you ever imagined that somewhere in the vast universe there might exist a planet similar to Earth, with water, atmosphere, and even life? Since the launch of the Kepler telescope in the year 2009, it has observed thousands of stars, and many of them host worlds similar to ours. We call these planets super-Earths. But what secrets do these mysterious worlds hold? Could humanity one day migrate to them? Today, we will uncover the 10 most mysterious Earth-like planets ever discovered. Greetings, explorers of the unknown. Welcome to Quantum Horizons, the channel where we unravel the deepest secrets of the cosmos and the wonders that science barely dares to touch. If you are fascinated by mysteries that challenge our understanding of the universe, and if you want to dive into revolutionary discoveries that are rewriting the books of astronomy, subscribe now and leave your like to embark on this unique journey through the most mysterious corners of space. 10th place, Kepler 438b. Discovered in January of 2015, its size is almost identical to Earth, with a diameter only 12% larger. It is located approximately 470 light-years from Earth. According to observations, as much as 70% of the planet may be covered by vegetation, and liquid water is very likely to exist. Kepler 438b orbits a star called Kepler 438, which is similar to our Sun and provides light for this distant world. However, the temperature of that star is not as high as the temperature of the Sun, and its mass is less than half. This means that the temperature and brightness of Kepler 438b must be much lower than those of Earth. Kepler 438b completes an orbit in 35 days and 5 hours, compared to Earth's 365 days. But there is a sinister problem. Scientists discovered that its star suffers violent flares every few days, releasing radiation so intense that it could eliminate any form of life on the planet. 9th place, Proxima Centauri b. It is named so because its star, Proxima Centauri, is the closest to the Sun, our cosmic neighbor. The relationship between Proxima Centauri and Proxima Centauri b is similar to the relationship between the Sun and the Earth. It is located only 4.2 light-years away. Compared to Kepler 438b, which is 470 light-years away, Proxima b is much closer. This planet may also contain liquid water and atmosphere. The distance between the planet and its star is about 7 million kilometers. Living on this world, we would see a large sun in the sky, and beside it, 2 smaller suns. There is no alternation between day and night here, nor seasonal changes. One side of the planet remains forever hot, while the other side remains forever cold. Humanity could live in the zone between these extremes, provided the atmosphere were dense enough. Proxima Centauri b completes its orbit in only 11.2 Earth days. 8th place, Kepler 186f. You may be wondering why so many planets begin with the name Kepler. That is because they were discovered by the Kepler Space Telescope, a machine that reveals cosmic secrets. Kepler 186f orbits 130 light-years from Earth, within the habitable zone of its solar system. According to observations, it may also be rocky and may contain liquid water. Overall, it is very similar to Earth. The problem is that its star is not as powerful as our Sun. It is smaller, colder, and much dimmer. Therefore, this Earth-like planet must have an extremely low temperature. On the surface of Kepler 186f, its star appears with the same brightness that we see on Earth about 1 hour before sunset. It therefore receives much less radiation than our planet. Even with low temperatures, the possibility of life cannot be ruled out. In addition, it is closer to its star than the Earth is to the Sun, which means it may have slower rotation. A day there could last several weeks or even months. 7th place, Kepler 62f. Scientists consider this planet a potentially habitable world, one of the options for colonization. Kepler 62f is a rocky planet located in the habitable zone. Its surface is made of rocks, and part of it may be covered by oceans. However, because it is the farthest planet from its star, it could be completely covered by ice. After analysis, scientists discovered that its atmosphere is 12 times denser than Earth's atmosphere, which would be enough to protect the planet from stellar radiation. The atmospheric pressure is similar to Earth's, allowing for climate and seasonal changes. It completes its orbit in 267 Earth days. It has water, land, atmosphere, and climate changes, excellent conditions for the development of life. The problem is that it is located 1,200 light-years from Earth, impossible for humanity to reach with today's technology. This enormous distance also prevents deeper research. So, does life exist on Kepler 62f? We do not yet know. 6th place, Gliese 667cc. This planet is similar to Proxima Centauri b, with one side in perpetual daylight and the other in eternal night. If you were standing there, your weight would increase significantly. If you weigh 60 kilograms on Earth, you would weigh 96 kilograms on this planet, almost 1.6 times heavier. Would this affect human life? Nobody knows. All the data we have is limited, we can only observe its outer characteristics. 5th place, Kepler 22b. Due to its distance, scientists have not yet determined whether its surface is rocky or watery. Later analysis suggests that Kepler 22b may be completely covered by water, making it a gigantic ocean world. If this is true, marine creatures could exist there, perhaps even advanced aquatic civilizations. Of course, this remains only human speculation. The reason why Kepler 22b attracts so much attention is that the probability of water existing on this planet is greater than on other super-Earths. Therefore, the probability of life is also greater. According to our knowledge, water is fundamental for life. 4th place, Kepler 442b. Discovered in the year 2015, it is located 1,115 light-years away from Earth. It has 83% similarity with our planet. Its mass is 1.34 times greater than Earth's mass. It has liquid water and atmosphere, probably with a rocky surface. Its equilibrium temperature is -40 degrees Celsius, with little variation. If its composition is similar to Earth's, its gravity would be 30% stronger. For us, living there would be very difficult. Moreover, its rotation is much slower than Earth's. A day could last more than 1 week, or even months. Overall, Kepler 442b has good conditions to sustain life. It is difficult to imagine how life might have evolved there, if it truly exists. 3rd place, Gliese 518g. The astrophysicist Stephen Voigt believes with complete certainty that life exists on this planet, located only 20 light-years away. Gliese 518g was discovered on the 9th of September in the year 2010. Its mass is 3 to 4 times greater than Earth's. By analyzing its mass, scientists determined that it is a rocky planet with a solid surface. It orbits the star Gliese 518 in 37 days. The average surface temperature may range between -12 degrees Celsius and 31 degrees Celsius. Its density is similar to Earth's, but its heat is greater. There is a possibility of liquid water and atmosphere. It has no rotation, which means one side is always hot and the other side is always cold. In the central region between extremes, there may exist a habitable zone for life. This planet satisfies most of the conditions for the emergence of life, but we cannot confirm if it has a suitable atmosphere. If the atmosphere is appropriate, then it is very possible that life similar to Earth's exists there. 2nd place, Kepler 452b. Its orbit is very similar to Earth's. According to advanced research, this super-Earth may contain continents and oceans. Its surface resembles ours, with various geological formations. Logically, it must also have a basic atmosphere. Most importantly, Kepler 452b is located in the habitable zone of its star, receiving a similar amount of radiation as Earth receives from the Sun. We still do not know if life exists there. The distance between Earth and Kepler 452b is approximately 1,400 light-years. If we use the fastest spacecraft humanity has ever built, the New Horizons, traveling at 55,000 km per hour, it would take approximately 25 million years to reach Kepler 452b. If human technology advances in the future, visiting this super-Earth may not be impossible. 1st place, Mars. The reason I placed Mars in 1st place is because, considering current human technology, Mars is the place where humanity has the greatest chance of migration. Although its conditions are not the best, it is a planet that we can actually reach. Moreover, a Martian day is very similar to an Earth day. The only difference is that the duration of the seasons is longer than Earth's. Mars has an axial tilt similar to that of our planet and possesses 2 natural satellites. Since we began studying Mars, we have observed phenomena suggesting eruptions of underground water. There is abundant frozen water in the polar regions, and its atmosphere is composed mainly of carbon dioxide, being thin and cold. If humanity could plant Earth seeds on Mars and make them grow successively, we might indeed have a second home. The minimum distance between Earth and Mars is only 55 million kilometers. Compared to the stars that are always so distant, Mars is without a doubt the best option for human migration. If one day we truly colonize Mars, what would you do? Share your ideas in the comments. And so, brave explorers of the inexplicable, we have reached the end of this transcendental journey. If these revelations touched your soul, strengthen our community by subscribing to Quantum Horizons, your portal to the deepest mysteries of life and consciousness. Your like is essential for expanding this mission of discovery. In the comments, share the emotions that these narratives awakened in you. We want to know your personal experiences, your theories, and your feelings about these mysterious worlds. Thank you for joining us in this extraordinary exploration. The adventure through the secrets of the unknown is only beginning. Together, we will continue to unravel the deepest enigmas of the universe and of the human mind.